Today we're making cowboy cookies. Come on in, welcome to my home. It's Christmas time, of course, and we're going to make some more cookies. We're going to make cowboy cookies. These are super easy to make. It will take you probably no time at all. All the ingredients you probably have around your house, because if you're like me, you're already making cookies for all the family that's going to be coming in for Christmas. And I guess the entire family is coming in for Christmas. So I really need to get started on this. Remember, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications. That way you know when a new video comes up. And down in the description, there are the ingredients and also links to all the products that I use. So this is always a fun one to do. The first thing I like to do is get my dry ingredients all mixed together. So I have flour, and I'm going to put my cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. I'm just going to use a fork because, well, it was right there and it didn't need cleaned or anything. And I'm going to mix that somewhat together and set that off to the side. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to take my softened butter. All right, softened butter. That's the nice thing about cooking under lights, is my butter softens quickly because it's not real warm right now around here. I don't know how your Christmas is. I know a lot of people that I have been following on like YouTube and those sort of things, especially people in Australia. They're like, oh, it's Christmas time. It's really warm. I'm like, oh, it's Christmas time. We're cold. It's really cold. All right. We're going to mix that up. I'm going to add my sugar. I am using raw sugar. You can use white sugar. You can use a combination of white and brown sugar. It is up to you. I like to add my sea salt now. You can consider, if you're using just regular table salt, you can put that in with your dry ingredients. I use a pinch of sea salt right now. Add my egg, hopefully one at a time. Hopefully, one-ish at a time. I will stop this and give it a good scrape. Okay, on low, because recently we have had a flour accident. I'm going to add my flour just until incorporated. While that is going, I'm going to add my oats, chocolate chips, and peanut butter chips. I love this cookie. This cookie is so much fun. One more whisk through. Come on, guys. Scrapey, scrapey. Everybody into the bowl. All right, now I'm just going to take my cookie scoop, drop these by the scoopful onto my silicone-lined pan. If you do not have a silicone-lined pan, you can use parchment paper. I have not done these on a greased pan or a non-greased pan, so I cannot attest one way or the other. And I am doing big cookies because, well, then I'm going to flatten these out just a bit. And yes, I'm not trying to go for the whole, they should look all pretty. No, they should look like cookies you want to eat. I've always found it interesting that there are people out there who do these absolutely beautiful, like stained glass frosted cookies. They're gorgeous and they take like 3 and 4 days to do a cookie. And I'm like, well, that's pretty and everything. But then somebody takes 2 seconds to eat it. No, that is not me. I consider myself a rustic cook. I am not a chef. I am a home cook. I'm not a cake decorator. I have said this repeatedly. And yeah, I'm never going to do the whole, look at these cookies, they look like stained glass windows. Not happening. Okay, now I'm going to take my cookies over to the oven, which I said was preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these for about 13 to 15 minutes until they are just slightly golden brown. Then take them out, let them cool a bit, and then put them on a cooling rack. Our cookies are out of the oven. I did let them cool on the pan for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I took them off and put them onto cooling racks. Now, I'm going to give them a taste. Those are really good. They're hearty. You can get the cinnamon flavor, the oatmeal texture. They're sweet, but they're not overly sweet. They're crisp. These are just a really good cookie. These are a hearty, really good cookie. The inside are really nice and moist, and of course, chocolate chips are chocolate chips, and the peanut butter chips are hidden in there. This is so good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't forget, the ingredients are listed down below, and there are links in the description, which will take you to my affiliate site for some of the products and the ingredients that I use. I hope you enjoyed this. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and also share this video. Let other people know that maybe they'll make these cookies for you. And I hope I get to see you again next time. And take a look at these videos I picked out just for you while I eat this cookie. That was really good.